Hey everyone, welcome to Kendra's Beauty Academy, where today we're going to learn about eyeshadow. If you've got an eyeshadow palette that has multiple colors in it and you're like, I don't even know where to start, this is a tutorial for you. You can take any 4 colors you have, mix and match them to follow this pattern of application. So for this tutorial, I have a light cream color, which is Lime Life's number 38, Lime Life's number 40, which is like a taupe, Lime Life's number 1, which is a shimmery beigey color, and Lime Life's number 8, which is a deep brown. What you want to have is a highlight color, a crease color, a lid color, and an outer corner color. First, start with having some kind of a primer on your eyelids. I use concealer that's going to even out the skin tone on your eyelids, cover all of your like small little capillaries and blood vessels, and it's also going to give the eyeshadow something to stick to. Start with your highlight color. Color goes from your crease to your eyebrow. Let's play with your crease color. I'm using a pointed blending eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to use some of this beige color. And once I've got the color on my brush, I am going to make sure I don't have too much by tapping off the excess. The best tip that I like to give is to keep your eyelid open so you can find your crease. Place the brush on the outer corner of your eye and swipe back and forth like windshield wipers. Once you have the color placed, now we're going to blend. Make sure all the color is knocked off the brush. You could use a tissue if you have one nearby. Now you're going to create circles to blend the color up to your eyebrow. We will go to your outer corner. So I'm using a little bit of a smaller brush, and I'm just going to dot the color, the dark brown color, under the outer corner of my eyelid. Using the same technique that we used to blend before, and I'm going to use small circles to blend up toward the crease and in toward my eyelashes. So now what we have is kind of an ombre effect where the darkest color pigment is toward the lash line, and then it gradually gets lighter toward the brow, darker toward the outer corner, and gradually gets lighter toward the inner corner. There are 2 ways I like to add an eyelid color. First is dry and the second is wet. A dry application is simple and subtle. To take a flat shadow brush into your lid color and simply pat it onto the lid. It will kind of blend itself. Now, a wet application is the exact same process, except you're going to get your brush wet. I like to wet my brush by spraying setting spray on the back of my hand or the back of my palette, and then dipping my brush into the setting spray. It's better than just spraying your brush like this because more spray will go off the brush than on. You take the same color and pat it onto your lid in the same fashion, and you will see you get a much brighter look. You can leave it just like this for like a faux cut crease look, or you can blend the edge. Just add some eyeliner and some mascara. You can literally take any 4 colors and apply this same technique. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kendra's Makeup Academy, and I'll see you next time.